left, congratulations.
Reduce to 200 knots or less.
200 knots to the left.
Mike Papa Foxtrot, contact me now on 12107.
Papa Fox is on 2107.
Thank you. And Mike Papa Echo, if you're still with me, call the 9 221.
I'm with you, talking to them as well from Mike Papa Delta 2211.
Thank you.
Center 1337 with your heading. Good day.
1337 heading Air 10
09, descend 10,000. Vancouver altimeter is 2983. Q400 direct MPOV as well, just descending through 12,000. You can plan on following them in. Just let me know when you get them in sight.
Good for traffic and all times to follow that Q400, Scott 766. Roger. Just 339 through 11, cancel the IFR.
Jazz 339, Roger, check counting IFR, thank you, sending contact for Church Tower 1183, I'll see you.
KT3, Jazz, here's your line, good day.
Speed 230 knots left.
Speed 230 knots are left, FLAIR today.
FLAIR 289, Roger, contact Vancouver arrival 1286, good day.
26, FLAIR 289, good day. Star Trek display, NDB, and climb plus 160, let's hear full flight.
Roger. 78561, C-GRAX left, truck on course.
Victoria Thermal on course 3355, we've got Foxtrot at 7,000 feet and planning the Zulu 427.
On course 3355, Victoria arrival, good morning. I check remarks. You're number 2 for 27, the altimeter 2983.
2983, number 2 on course 3355.
2561, center now 3505.
Yeah, I'm going to have to leave you on that heading for a bit so that when I give you your climb, you can have uninterrupted climb behind another aircraft. And Seattle will give you more direction in just a couple minutes.
Okay, I just want to make sure.
Hill base sit. Says 148 Victoria departure identified, climb 5,000.
5,000 Jazz 148. My Papa Fox says the dash 8, right?
532, good day.
3532, long core 311, good day. You can cancel IFR, so that makes things easier.
Mike Papa Fox affirmative, I check canceling IFR and follow the dash 8 in for now. Talk to you, Chicken.
Mike Papa Fox, for you. 160,000,
Glacier 560, Vancouver Center, low climb, level 240.
level 240, Glacier 560. Parker 3105.
Roger. Jazz 148, turn right direct Duxton for the Duxton 5 arrival.
Right turn direct Duxton 5 arrival, Jazz 148.
$3,000.
13,000 on course 3119.
Terminal 28.6.
28.6 left at 107.
Also Delta Uniform Victoria Terminal identified, climb to 16,000.
Contact Vancouver Center 1345. Good day.
Beach 1900 in sight. With 204, Vancouver Santa, you with me?
Next, I'm going to still up here with 204.
Outside with 204, Roger.
Balance would be with FLAIR 7 arrival. Your cease altitude restriction is cancelled.
030, Delta Mike.
Sure.
It's 382, depart Oxford heading 180, descend 3000.
Yep, 3000, depart Oxford heading 180, pass contact your seats.
Roger. 0980 Hotel in Victoria. Sheet of 51.
On course, 63,
Air 18, descend, maintain 12000.
Descend 12000, give in 18.
Air Canada 026 Heavy, descend, maintain 12000.
Descend and maintain 12000.
026 Roger, Vancouver altimeter 3028.
302.
The head is not ADSB. I have lost them off surveillance. They're proceeding direct noted. They've canceled IFR. 45 as well, and check. They're going through noted. Honko 3433. Roger. Yeah, there's a queue coming right behind, about 14 miles. Okay, gotcha. We'll cancel. Thank you so much. Do the same thing out at 12.5. Roger, thank you. I'll have lower for you shortly. Sure, check full course. 203. Sorry, back departure.
Okay, 1413 Victoria, good day. You are identified. Climb 16,000, leaving 3,000. Turn left direct to the Comox TAC and on course.
Climb 16,000, leaving 3000. Left turn, on course to, sorry, direct the, Comox TAC and pass go 1450.
And showing it clear controlled airspace. How do you plan on closing the flight plan today?
So, what the call you there, we'll cancel, close the IFR now, pass go 353.
Pasco 353, Roger. Surveillance and alluring services are terminated. You're cleared en route. We'll talk to you.
Calculated, Pasco 353.
Vancouver San Juan, 272 heavy maintenance, fundamentally, 905 passengers.
Roger.
So 452-200, strike boots with Juliet, and Northwest David, 1840.
Pascal 452 Vancouver Center, good day to you, landing 26, I check, you have the
26, Pascal 52.
203, descend, 14,000. No delays through numbers. There's 724, climb level 180.
Climb level 180, for 724.
Vancouver, good morning, Douglas 121, climbing flight level, sorry, 16,000, on a heading of 080.
Dauntless 121 Vancouver Center, good day to you. How long will it take you to vacate flight level 360? I do have actually, how long will it take you to vacate flight level 330? I do have active military airspace along your route. You can tell me in minutes or in miles. clear of traffic, continue present heading, climb, maintain level 280.
Same present heading.
Correct.
Let's go 1450.
Ooh.
No delay in the climb, and I'll have higher momentarily.
Alright, we'll expedite the climb, left 121.
FLAIR 724 to accommodate traffic, best straight through level at 260, please.
That's straight through for level 260, FLAIR 724.
370, Kansas 36.
Oscar 452, when ready to send 10,000, anchor altimeter 3028.
Channel 2000 on 3028, I'm ready, pass the 452.
Hoover Airport, bio when able, direct Port Hardy VOR, on course, climb flight level 210.
To the Vancouver Airport, when able, direct the Port Hardy VOR on course and climb maintain flight level 210, pass 782.
Roger, once I get you above the military airspace there, I'll have direct team for you.
Copy, thanks.
3827, see you later, Jazz 466.
Air Canada 273, terminal now 286.
Over to 286 now for Cam 273. Get it.
Go. Level 370. FLAIR 724, thanks for your cooperation. Proceed direct to Ramra on course.
Direct to Ramra on course.
on course 3367, good day.
To descend, maintain 11,000.
11,000, Jazz 342.
Go 3055, wind ready to descend 10,000, anchor altimeter 3027.
10,000, our discretion, pass go 3055.
Altimeter is 3029er, occupying the RNAV at active pass. Depart on the heading of 270. That'll be radar vectors for the Nanaimo NDD. I'll have lower for you at active pass.
Alright, after active pass, heading 270, and floor after active pass on course 3367. As a 342, contact arrival 1286, King.
286 now, Jazz 342, have a good one.
Descend 6,500.
6,500 on course 3367.
And level 210.
Descend call 210, guys, good answer.
Contact Vancouver terminal now 1286.
Site successful 452, King. Jet 708, we're 1,900 feet to VFR off Camel Point for the high level VFR.
Cruiser 708, Victoria squawk ident 5,500 is approved. Altimeter for Victoria 3027. Actually, sorry, 3,500 northbound is approved. Speed is 26, and you are identified.
Okay, we've climbed 3,500 feet, the altimeter 3027, Helijet 708.
we have hotel.
Can 211 Vancouver Center, good day. 26 active, Juliet, Beatus.
Okay, we'll pick up Juliet, and we were given a safe crossing time of 1849, and it looks like we're right on it.
Oh, yeah.
Level 240.
Jazz 299 Vancouver Center, good day to you. Landing runway is 26, is Juliet.
We're going to set up for the air now, 26, Jazz 299. Good day.
127 Heavy checking in 300.
Check 127 Heavy Vancouver Center, roger.
Of course, 367 is then 3000.
And 2000, of course, 367.
Menbo on course.
Good, Menbo on course, sir, down to 20.
Correct, no SOM.
Affirmative, with Eric Nelson, don't list. 121.
Thank you.
Contact Vancouver Center 135.58.
35.5, Nancy 36 by now.
Heading 070, Air Canada 306. Level 370.
Climb flight level 370, Air Canada 306.
United 2322, contact Seattle Center 125.1.
25-1, yeah, 2322, see you. Yeah.
Center, D-Ben 33, request descent to 12000.
Demon 33, descend 1-2000.
12000, D-Ben 33.
Once you're done your operational work, I'm just showing lead tog back to Comox. Does that work for you, or are you planning on exiting at a different point?
We're looking for OTNIX to Comox on the return for D-Ben 33.
Operational in the next 2 minutes here, so you're cleared operational, and I think you'll be looking for your clearance at OTNIX back to Comox. Do you know what altitude you'll be looking for on the way back?
About 190 on the way back.
Thank you. Roger. Encore 3434, I have your clearance when you're ready.
Go ahead for Encore 3434.
Encore 3434, cleared to the Calgary Airport by direct Matier, flight plan for route, maintain 12000.
Our Express 705 and nominal altimeter 3028.
028, thanks, Express 705.
North Carolina 2049, what's their distance back from Vols?
183 miles to Vols, North Carolina 2049.
Thank you. You can continue with the shallow rate of climb now. I'll have to ladder you up, reference slower traffic in front of you that's off radar, or I could turn you straight southbound and give you your climb, whatever you prefer.
We'll take a step on turn Encore 3434.
Vancouver Center, North Caribou 2049 through 15200.
07770.
Roger.
And we're planning 350 true and cruise.
Jazz 7770, Roger. Tourist 3350 knots is approved and 230 will be final.
36, thank you.
516, contact Seattle Center now 125.1.
1251, Charlie Pilot, have a good day.
Harvard Express 705, we're level 8000, direct Jasmine.
Harvard Express 705, Vancouver Center, Roger. Casino altimeter 3021.
3021 for Harvard Express 705.
Roger.
Proceed direct down on course.
Direct on course, United 733.
That's direct Alma on course.
Direct Alma on course, United 733.
Roger.
Yeah, one request to stop at 16,000 feet.
Number 201, stop climb 16,000.
16,000 for number 201, thank you.
Number 201, Roger. Prince Rupert, altimeter 3038.
3038 in Prince Rupert, number 201.
Number 201, Roger. Change to my frequency 13367.
We'll send it down 125.1. They will have our
Manor 6, yes. Yeah.
Third terminal is Hyper Cherokee, Foxtrot Yankee, Papa Whiskey. Departed the NIMO at 2,300 feet, requesting 3,500 to Boundary Bay to East Point.
Yankee Papa Whiskey, Victoria Terminal, Pocket End. Proceed as requested. Please accept 3,500 via East Point.
That's number 3,500 and squawk the identity.
and maintain flight level 280.
Seattle on course, climb flight level 280, Canada 1046.
Canada 1046, Roger.
To expect Alpha Roger. Okay, just expedite the climb. You'll be above here in a moment. Please approach your 230 to 2 o'clock position. 1 mile, 10 altitude. Sure, back up with lucky in the climb.
Contact the Vancouver Center on 128.27.
Cancel the FR.
Number 201, Roger. Are you closing your flight plan as well?
Yes. Number 201.
Number 201, thank you. Check canceling FR. Closing the IFR flight plan. Radar alerting services are terminated. Cleared en route. Talk to you later.
Good, en route. Thank you. Thunderbird 201.
Roger.
Roger.
Uniform Echo Tango, affirmative. Right next to you by about a mile. They're a bit slower than you and same direction though. Yeah, they've got no mode C there, but they're only doing about 80 miles an hour.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, 4 miles northbound, course speed 3,500.
Look at Express 600.
Contact the Vancouver Center on 132.2.
1322, Bronco 3115.
Are you heading 110? Heading 110, Encore 3228. Course. 3532 on quarter 3228. Roger. Lewis, Quebec Alpha, in a couple of minutes, coming up in the NIMO, you may see a dash 8. Just going to climb to 4,000 initially, but he'll be southeast down. Quebec Alpha, looking.
Seattle Center now 134.9 or 5, good day.
134.9 or 5, taxify Virgin 105.
Flair 504, sorry, did I miss your call? Sorry, Flair 504, I think you were calling me. Climb to maintain 16,000, say again, the leaving altitude.
Okay, climb again, climb to 16,000, leaving 11,000 now, and assigned heading 070, Flair 504.
Flair 504, right here.
Vancouver Center, good afternoon, climb, flight level 300.
Hi, the flight level 300, Air Canada 3.
Jazz 87, Vancouver now, 132.2, take care.
322 for Jazz 87, have a good day.
Seeker 02, there's traffic 11 o'clock, about 2.5 miles opposite direction. Looks like a 172, 2,700 feet, the altitude not verified.
Okay, took that, looking for the traffic, Seeker 02.
X-ray Romeo Golf, are you landing in Victoria or is this an overflight?
Good to know going through.
Stewart Island arrival will have lower for you, just 50 miles.
X-ray Romeo Golf. C-30, go ahead.
50 Charlie, I've just got traffic climbing reference here. I need to lock you on heading, flight heading 060, please.
060, so fast, C-30.
Sure. Vancouver arrival now, 1286, thanks for your help.
286, no worries, Jazz 45.
Time and maintain flight level 270. Keep a good rate, please, through flight level 190 traffic.
Okay, up to flight level 270, good rate through 190, Flair 574.
Flair 504, sure.
American 61 Heavy, checking on 340.
Now cleared to 10,000, Carson 911, bye-bye. As 441, climbing out of 7,400 for 16,000, the heading is 300.
Jazz 441, Vancouver Center, good afternoon, climb level 200.
You recleared 200, Jazz 441.
Jazz 441, where's Lake Trip to?
Real good, thank you.
North Caribou 1540, contact Vancouver Center now, 13505, good day.
Order 13505, North Caribou, 1540, good day. Good afternoon, Jazz 712 is with you in the climb 10,600, climbing 16,000.
Jazz 712, Vancouver Center, roger, climb flight level 280, we'll try it.
Climb flight level 280, we are on the heading of 090.
Jazz 712, thank you.
370, can please 36.
Oscar 452, when ready to send 10,000, Vancouver altimeter 3028.
Tunnel 2000 on 3028, run ready, pass 452.
Vancouver Airport via when able, direct Port Hardy VOR on course, climb flight level 210.
Clear the Vancouver Airport when able, direct the Port Hardy VOR on course and climb maintain flight level 210, Pasco 782.
Roger, once I get you above the military airspace there, I'll have direct key for you.
Copy, thanks.
2827, see you later, Jazz 466.
Air Canada 273, terminal now 286.
Over to 286 now for Can 273. Good day.
Level 370.
370,
FLAIR 724, thanks for your cooperation. Proceed direct to Ramra on course.
Direct to Ramra on course.
09 Hotel in Victoria.
2 to 51. On course, 337.
Air 18, descend, maintain 12,000.
Descend 12,000, Japan 18.
Air Canada 026 Heavy, descend, maintain 12,000.
Descend and maintain 12,000, Air Canada
026, Roger, Vancouver altimeter 3028.
Ahead is not ADSB. I have lost them off surveillance. They're proceeding direct noted. They've canceled IFR.
12-5 as well, and check, they're going through noted, Hong Kong 3433.
Roger. Yeah, there's an item there. You coming right behind, about 14 miles.
Okay, that's a call, cancel.
Thank you so much.
Do the same thing out at 12-5.
Roger, thank you. I'll have lower for you shortly.
Left, 289.
Reduce to 200 knots or less.
200 knots or less, Mike Papa Fox.
Mike Papa Fox, contact me now on 12107.
Mike Papa Fox is on 2107.
Thank you, and Mike Papa Echo, if you're still with me, call the 9-0, 221.
I'm with you, talking to them as well from Mike Papa, thanks, 2211.
Thank you.
Center 1337 with your heading. Good day.
1337 with the heading, Air Canada 10.
09, descend 10,000. Vancouver altimeter is 2983. Q400, direct MPOV as well, just descending through 12,000. You can plan on following them in. Just let me know when you get them in sight.
Looking for traffic and we'll plan to follow that Q400, Skunk 768.
Roger.
Jet 339 through 1170, now we cancel the IFR. Feel safe.
Jazz 339, Roger, check counting IFR, thanks, and you can contact Prince Church Tower 1183, we'll see you.
KT3, Jazz 339, good day.
Speed 230 knots left.
Speed 230 knots or left, FLAIR 289.
FLAIR 289, Roger, contact Vancouver arrival 1286, good day.
26, FLAIR 289, good day.
Star Trek D-Flight, NDB, and climb flight level 260, go straight full 40.
Roger. Summit 8561, proceed direct left truck on course.
Seattle Center now 134905, good day.
134905, thanks, 5, Virgin 105.
FLAIR 504, sorry, did I miss your call? Sorry, FLAIR 504, I think you were calling me. Climb to maintain 16,000, say again the leaving altitude.
Hey, climb again, climb to 16,000, leaving 11,000 now, and assigned heading 070, FLAIR 504.
FLAIR 504 right here.
Vancouver Center, good afternoon, climb, flight level 300.
Hi, the flight level 300, Air Canada 3.
Jazz 87, Vancouver now, 132.2, take care.
322 for Jazz 87, have a good day.
Speaker 02, there's traffic 11 o'clock, about 2.5 miles opposite direction. Looks like a 172, 2,700 feet, the opposite Scott verified.
Okay, check that, looking for the traffic, Speaker 02.
X-ray Romeo Golf, are you landing in Victoria or is this an overflight?
Good, nothing going through. Course. 35, 32 on quarter, 328. 100. Lewis, Quebec Alpha, in a couple of minutes, coming up to the 9-0, you may see a -8. Just going to climb to 4,000 initially, but he'll be